Okay, let's take this bike for a ride. Of course, left hand control, right hand brake on this 75 electric start. Oh, his handlebars are not straight. Yeah, you see his bars are not straight. That's another job for another day. Oh, it rides quite smoothly. Okay, let's see if this turn signal works. Yes, it does. It handles really well. I'll test the brake in a minute. Yeah, it works. The throttle is definitely a lot freer. Yeah, the brake's okay. I wouldn't say it's outstanding, but it feels alright. That little pusher might need some work. Oh, left the turn signal on. Oh well, at least it works. Well, very nice. I hope you enjoyed this mini series. It was going to be one video of fixing the carburetors, and look what that turned into. But all's well that ends well, right? That's me pulling the brakes on. Yeah, they're okay. So I'll give Sam a call, tell him that his bike's ready, and then you may have seen another video featuring his other bike, his Dominator that's over with George. We found a little problem, just a little repair that needs to be done with that. So as soon as George gets finished with that, Sam can come over and pick up his two bikes. But I think for now, this is great. These Mk3s, they're certainly smooth. Yeah. I wondered if it needed another rubber on there. I could just hear it sort of shuddering. I'll fix that before it goes back. The other thing is he might just need his carburetors sinking once he's run it a little bit. Oh, you know what I haven't done? I haven't tried the electric starter. Well, we need to fix that. Well, that idle's good. Still, see if it's smoking. Oh, that's a nice idle. Clocks need straightening as well. We can go on. Alright, well, let's try... Well, just see if it's smoking first of all, and then try the electric starter. I'll give that a little light polish. No, doesn't seem to be smoking. running very well. Some of the shock absorber mounts on the mufflers are a little worn, could do with replacing sometime. Let's give it a blip. Maybe a little. I'm very happy with that, how it all worked out. Nice looking bike, isn't it? What we're running at? A little faster. I think he likes his idle a little faster. We can turn that down if needed. Okay. Okay. Now then, moment of truth again. Do not touch that is the secret, I realised. Oh, it hesitated for a moment. That wasn't so bad though. Try one more time. Oh, that was as good as it gets, right? Oh, and by the way, I know this is somewhat temporary. The new starter motors are probably significantly better than this, but this is fine for now. Okay, let's go and finish those last few jobs and get it on its way. Yeah, that front brake's okay. As good as it gets for 1975 technology. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and for your patience with this video. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you again next week.